Hello, good afternoon. Are you able to hear me? So, still people are joining one by one. So, give me 1 second. Let me start another instance. 1 second. Okay, so I am back. Let's start. Let people join one by one slowly. Till that, we will start anyway. Because people join little in 5 minutes. Okay, I can see some more people now. Virendra, somebody will read me. Okay. So, am I audible, everyone? Please write on chat. Let's start. Till now, we have covered. Okay. Good afternoon. Yes, good afternoon, Maharshi, Tusham, Jai Surya, Ganesh. Who else is there? Virendra, somebody with read me, I don't know. So just put your name.
Bharamappa, sir, it is.
Brahmappa. Okay, Brahmappa, just rename, please. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Perfect. So guys, move on. My audio is clear. Is no problem of connection. I mean, it's getting good audio, right? All of you. Tell me, everybody, my audio is okay. Tell me on chat. Okay. Good. So let's start today. Different type of integration, which is, say, till yesterday we were doing more in the type of x plus b into root of cx plus d. Today we are going to do a different type of integration. Very interesting integration of the form. What form? Integration of this form. If your numerator is derivative of denominator, that kind of form we are going to do today. Very interesting. I love this form very much because it's very interesting to substitute. So any integration where denominator, or you can say numerator, is the derivative of denominator. That is what we are going to do today. For example, I think Usha also joined, right? Hi Usha. I can see now Usha, Brahmappa. Yes, no names are visible. Good. So this kind of, for example, a very, very simple example of this kind of integration is, say, integration of tan x dx. Integration of tan x with respect to x. How we'll do is very simple. First we'll integrate tan x. So integration of tan x, first we will substitute tan x as sin x by cos x, because we already know tan means sin by cos. So this becomes sin x by cos x, and dx is there in the top, an integration of this. As I said, the point here is numerator is derivative of denominator. Yes. Other way of doing is, let's see, suppose, let's say cos x equal to t. Assume cos x, assume denominator as anything. Say cos x equal to t. You differentiate both sides with respect to x. So what is differentiation of cos x? minus sin x dx, and this is dt. Right, everybody? Differential of cos x is minus sin x and then dx. So minus sin x dx will substitute as dt. So this will substitute now. This become integration of sin x dx is minus dt by cos x is t. So this become what? Minus integration of 1 over t dt. Correct? It became integration of 1 over t dt. What is integration of 1 over t? Minus is there as it is. 1 over t integration is log of t. In fact, log of this. Agree, everybody? Plus c. And in the last, substitute again t with cos x. And you get finally minus of log of cos x plus c. So integration of tan x is nothing but minus of log cos x plus c. Main point is numerator is differentiation or derivative of cos x. Too easy. Now similar way, can you do, and also we can say minus of log cos x or log of secant x, right? Both are same. Similar way, can you do integration of cot x? Everybody, do it and tell me, can you integrate cot of x using the same concept? Can you integrate cot x dx, please, and tell me the answer very quickly? Same method, do cot means cos by sine, substitute, do and tell me. Integration of cot x, everybody do it.
Log mod sin x plus c.
That's it. You are right, Yasuri. I want everyone to write it. So you know integration of tan x and know you know integration of cot x also. Everybody write down, please. Usha, Maharshi, Tusham, Virendra, everyone. Integration of cot x. It become cos x by sin x, and dx are there anyway, right? Let's say cos of x equal to t, then minus sin x dx equal to dt. Substitute. So my question becomes, substitute. No, we should take sin x equal to t, sorry, because we should always take denominator as this. Put sin x as t, that will be more easy. So it become cos x dx equal to dt. So this cos x dx, you substitute dt, right? So question becomes now cos x means dt here by sin x means t, dt by t. You know integration of 1 by t is log of t. So log of t means sin x. Log of sin x So from now onwards, if we get cot x or tan x, we'll directly use log of sin x or log of minus cos x. Okay, everybody? Because we know what is integration of cot x and what is integration of tan x. So we directly can start using this henceforth. Everybody okay on this? Understood what we're doing? We are writing this in the form of cos by sine. Numerator is derivative of denominator. So become too easy. All our objective today is converting function into form of f dash x by fx. That's it. CC, shall I move on? Yes. Usha clear hai? Brahmappa clear hai? Yes. If I give a problem like integration of how will you do this? 1 over root of 1 minus cos x dx. Tell me the ideas. How will you do 1 over 1 minus cos x root x? Tell me, guys. We can do that also. Otherwise, yesterday we talked about formula of 1 minus cos 2x, cos square x, sin square x. Yesterday we talked about it, right? One minus cos x will not help because there's really a 1 minus cos. If you put minus cos x in the numerator, it becomes 1 minus cos x by root of 1 minus. That is okay. But then what we'll do with plus cos x by 1 minus cos x? Become too much. Instead of that, we can use this formula which we did yesterday. What was that? 1 minus yesterday we done this formula, right? 1 minus cos of 2x equal to 2 sin square x. Correct, everybody? Two sin square x and 2 cos square x formula yesterday we did. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Then what will be 1 minus cos x, guys? If 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x, तो 1 minus cos x क्या होगा? 2 sin square x के बदले x by 2 हो जाएगा, right? That is only difference will happen. So our question is, see, your whole objective is remove the root, guys. See, I told you in the first class also, in the previous class also, how to make it simple, get rid of denominator or make it simple or remove the roots. The moment we get 2 sin square x by 2, root will go. So this become now 1 over 1 minus cos x is this. So 2 sin square x by 2. So root 2 and the outside will become sin x by 2. Everybody agree? Root of sin square x by 2 is sin x by 2. Or if you take in the numerator, it become cosec x by 2 by root 2. Integration of that. That is your question becomes now. Integration of 1 by root 2 into cosec of x by 2. Now how to do cosec of x by 2? Same way how we did the previous question, we can do this also. How we do integrate cosec x? Do you know, guys? How to integration of cosec x? You know or not? Or shall I tell you how to integrate cosec x?
Cosec x minus cot x.
Sorry, yes, log of. Integral cosec x is log of cosec x minus cot x. Or you can say log of 10x by 2, depending upon how you want to do it. Shall I explain you how to integrate cosec x, or you know? Tell me, guys. Explain. Okay, I'll explain how. So I'll explain how to get the integration of cosec x. Once you know cosec x, you can do this also, right? Once you integrate cosec x, you can solve this question also. So first understand how to integrate cosec x. Question is integration of cosec x. It is not very easy, but if we apply this f dx by f, we can do it. So now, guys, cosec x we can write as 1 over sin x. We can write this. Cosec means 1 by sin x. Now, remember what is the formula of sin 2x? Sin of 2x is what? 2 of sin x cos x. So what will be sin x then? 2 of?
2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2.
Very good. We are going to make it complex, but it will be very useful. So we'll substitute here. So we'll substitute sin x as 2 of sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So my integration becomes now 1 by, so 1 over sin x means 2 of sin x by 2 cos of x by 2 in the numerator dx is there. So becoming more and more and more complex. Now, why we are doing this? Because somehow I want to make it look like a f dash x by fx. See now what happens. If now 2 sin cos x by 2, if I somehow get tan or secant square or some form, and it's very easy to get it here.
लेकिन सर अगर हम cos x को cosec x minus cot x
वैसे भी कर सकते
by
हैं. There are two different ways. See, so I am telling you first way. There are two different ways because answer can be two different form. Answer can be form of something of cosec minus cot, or answer can be in the form of just log of something or log of 10. So we'll do both if you want. But first, this is more easy way. So 1 by 2 into sin x by 2 cos x by 2, correct? Now, if I want to make the denominator as 10, tell me what should I do? Just tell me that. If I want to make denominator as 10 of x by 2, what should I do? I should divide with cos square, right?
Yes, sir.
So guys, what I'm doing is, I'm dividing this with cos square x by 2. You will just know why I'm doing this. This is also dividing with cos square x by 2. Cos square x by 2 say I am dividing both numerator and denominator. So my question becomes what now? Yes. 2 तो ऐसे आ जाएगा. Cos तो sin by cos तो 10 आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे वही चाहिए था हमको. 10 of x by 2 आ जाएगा everybody. न्यूमरेटर में 1 ही था, तो 1 divided by cos square x by 2 becomes secant square. Or the moment you know secant square, tell me, is it in the form of that or not? F dash x by, क्योंकि we know differentiation of 10x is secant square x. So now I could get in the form of f dash x by fx. Correct? Now it becomes so easy. अब solve करना है इसको, तो I can do directly also, but I will write the step. अब if I assume, let assume 2 tan x by 2 equal to t मान ले, differentiate करो तो 2 tan x by 2 का क्या होगा? Differentiation secant square x by 2 into half, right? dx. Differentiation, so I think everybody is super solid, right, guys? So differentiation of 10 x by 2 is 2 constant. 10x का होता है secant square x, function of function x by 2 का हो 1 by 2. Or if I write in simple form, secant square x by 2 dx equal to dt. 2 और 2 कट गया, ठीक है? और हमारा भी न्यूमरेटर यही है, secant square x by 2. So if I refresh, let me remove this. So my integration becomes now secant square x by 2 dx तो dt हो गया और 2 10 x by 2 मेरा t हो गया. कितना इजी हो गया? 1 by t dt. What integration 1 by t dt? Log of t, right? Plus c. So my final answer is log of t. t क्या था मेरा? 210 x by 2. Agree everybody? Or you can take 10x by 2 also t. Actually, point is that, it is just integration of cos x is log of, अगर यहाँ पे मैं 2 नहीं लेता, then also become very easy. If I have taken this 10x by 2, because I want to make it more simpler, 10x by 2 equal to t. ये 2 को भूल जाओ अभी for a moment, because that is become more easy. 10x का होता है secant square x into half. So secant square equal to 2 dt. बात देखिए. So when you solve this, secant square x by 2 dx equal to 2 dt. 2 और 2 कट गया, dt by t आ गया, log t आ गया, log 2 10 by t कटता है. So somebody was saying, so this is the most easy way because integration of cosec x is log of 10x by 2 plus. Anybody any confusion? Because we are going to use this utility in many places. Otherwise, assume cosec x minus cot x करके multiply numerator denominator, use the identity and get the answer in the form of cosec x minus cot x. Because वैसे भी 10x by 2 वही होता है. That's it. है क्वेश्चन किसी को? जय सूर्या गुड. महर्षि. I know it is little difficult, but कर सकते हो आराम से. So finally,
Sir,
yes, please.
the before sum we have done 1 by root 2 into integral cosecant x by 2 dx. It is in the form ax plus b cosecant ax plus b, and we can substitute.
हाँ, correct. So what I'm trying to tell you is, no, we know integration. I'm not saying that problem. I'm still telling you the integration of cosec x dx x cosec x dx. We know now the integration of cosec x will be given by log of. Agree? This is standard now. हमारा last question was what? Cosec x by 2 something, right? So you are right. If you have to get that question where integration was cosec of x by 2, obviously to use that form of cosec x. Because once we know cosec x integration, you can apply anywhere, right? This is what you think, Jay Surya?
Yes, sir.
So cosec x integration we know now. So you can apply to any of the question where last question was, I said cosec x by 2. तो वो लगा सकते हैं. So let's solve another problem now, guys. This time you can use this concept.
Log mod tan x by 4 by 1 by 2.
Okay, yes, you can use that. So let's solve this problem now. No, it will not be 4, it will be 2 because integration work n by n plus 1, right? So let's solve this problem, Jayasurya. This time apply this. Let's see what you do all this. There is integration sign I am not able to make proper, but okay. This time integrate, say 1 minus cos of 2x by, guys, lot of trigonometry we have to use. 1 plus cos of 2x and square root of both dx. I need the ideas how you will approach this question, because first thing is we have to always get rid of the roots. Tell me, how will you do this? Actually, it's very easy. Yesterday I told you formula of sin square x cos square x, right? Right, Jayasurya. Correct. Yesterday what I told you, maybe I would have told you this, that sin square x is given by sin square x is given by what? 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos 2x by 2, something like I told you, right?
2 sin square x हो जाएगा और नीचे 2 cos
हाँ,
square x.
तो चलो नीचे को हटा देते हैं, वहीं पे 2 लिख देते हैं, तो ज्यादा इजी लिखना, राइट? एक तो ये था और एक 2 cos square x, whichever way you use 2 cos square x, वहां पे प्लस आ जाएगा, राइट? वन प्लस cos 2x. ये यूटिलिटी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में होता है, वी डोंट हैव टू रियली, तो ये यूज कर सकते हैं. 1 minus cos 2x पर 1 plus cos 2x डायरेक्टली दिया हमको, सो वी अप्लाई दिस यूटिलिटी. ये तो डायरेक्ट ही है, तो ज्यादा इट्स नॉट ए बिग डील. सो माय क्वेश्चन बिकम्स 1 minus cos 2x मतलब 2 sin square x. और 1 plus cos 2x मतलब 2 cos square x. The moment we see this becomes so easy.
2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा और वो 10 square x हो जाएगा.
और 10 square x जब बाहर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 10x हो जाएगा.
10x.
तो फाइनली क्वेश्चन क्या बन गया मेरा? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 10x ओनली. तो इंटीग्रेट 10x तो हमने अभी किया है
check है.
ना. इंटीग्रेट 10x क्या होता है? अभी तो किया हमने. अभी किया था ना हमने 10x प्लस sin बाय cos करके.
log into sec x plus c.
log not log into, log ऑफ. वो पैरामीटर होता है, मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होता है. करेक्ट, इट्स अ पैरामीटर. करेक्ट.
Okay, sorry sir.
No problem. So log of sec x plus c. So what the point is? Point is just we have to apply the trigonometric formula. This is about f dash x by fx when there is a trigonometry. And I want to solve something now where there is no trigonometry. We can do other question also like that with no trigonometry, normal algebraic questions. See how it is. Point is f dash x by fx. ये clear है everybody? Let's solve. What if my questions are like this? Integrate 2x plus 5 by, you will love this because this is what the utility of this a lot. X square plus 5x. Many people say sir root ले सर फैक्टर बनाएंगे बनाएंगे, वो जरूरत नहीं है. पहले देखो कि और कुछ फॉर्म है क्या. सी कॉम्प्लेक्स वे तो आराम से कर सकते हैं. पहले मेक इट सिंपल. 2x plus 5 divided by x square plus 5x minus 7 dx. How will you integrate? You should always look for कि ये क्या f dash x by fx फॉर्म में है क्या. देखो, तो you will say sir what we'll do is x square plus 5x minus 7 को you assume, डिनोमिनेटर को assume as t, differentiate both side 2x प्लस 5 dx, ये dx दोनों के बाहर है, ओके, तो dt। सो डिनोमिनेटर को डिफरेंशिएट करो तो न्यूमरेटर मिल रहा है हमको, करेक्ट। when you're differentiating denominator we are getting the numerator, so it becomes so easy. Substitute this, इसके बदले my question becomes dt by t। dt by t का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है? 1 by t का होता है log of t, so answer is log of
x square plus 5x minus 7 plus 3.
That's it. Always write this in the form of this x square। हो गया सॉल्व, एकदम से देखते से सॉल्व हो गया, बिकॉज वी नो द मेथड कि हम लोग को जब भी न्यूमरेटर इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर, वेरी इजी। ओके जीटीजी तुषार, गुड। What about if the question is like this? Integrate secant square x, obviously dx, by 3 plus 10x. Can we do this? Tell me how will you do it? Who want to explain me? Integrate secant square x by 3 plus 10x.
x square x dx बराबर को dt कर देंगे और 3 plus 10x को t, तो हो जाएगा log of t plus c, तो log of 3 plus 10x plus c आंसर।
एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि हमको फिर से दिख रहा है कि जो न्यूमरेटर है इट्स अ डेरिवेटिव डिफरेंस ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर, वही बात है। तो जय सूर्या 10x इक्वल टू t से अच्छा 3 plus 10x इक्वल टू, बिकॉज डिफरेंशियल ऑफ 3 बिकम 0, ज्यादा इजी है ना, नहीं तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा। इफ यू टेक ओनली 10x इक्वल टू t, डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा 3 plus t, तो गड़बड़ है, डिनोमिनेटर सबको सिंपल चाहिए हमको। सो सेकंड स्क्वायर
वो आगे जाके कंफ्यूजिंग करेगा फिर।
करेक्ट, तो ऑब्जेक्टिव है इंटीग्रेशन में कैसे सिंपल से सिंपल बनाए। तो सेकंड स्क्वायर x dx इक्वल टू dt, एंड एज यू सेड राइट, सेकंड स्क्वायर dx पूरा dt हो गया हमारा, 3 plus 10x को t हो, इसलिए पूरा का पूरा डिनोमिनेटर को यू ऑलवेज एज्यूम एज t और u और v एनीथिंग, पूरा डिनोमिनेटर। इसका इंटीग्रेशन वी ऑलरेडी नो log t, तो log ऑफ जो भी तुम्हारा दिया है 3 plus 10x ये आ गया प्लस, दैट्स इट। राइट, if you understood this, now I'm going to give you one very interesting question. Let's see how many you can solve it. Integration of, let's see how many people can solve this. 1 minus 10x by, again trigonometry, 1 plus 10x dx. Let's see what you're going to do here. If you want hint, tell me. क्या करने वाले हैं यहाँ पे? रमप्पा, उषा, तुषाम। The hint is 10x को सोचो sin by cos, देखो फिर क्या होता है। राइट जयसरिया, ये बन गया 1 माइनस sin x by cos x by 1 plus sin x by cos x। क्यों किया हमने? you know in a moment। अब ये cos x फालतू में आ रहा है। Can you multiply numerator denominator both with cos x, guys? I multiply the whole numerator denominator with cos x because I don't want fractions। तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? cos x minus sin x, यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, cos x प्लस sin x। अब मुझे बताओ कुछ दिख रहा है कहीं पे? अच्छा, ये ऐसा दिख रहा है क्या, इज द न्यूमरेटर द डिफरेंशिएटर ऑफ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर नॉट? थिंक। ब्रह्मप्पा को लग रहा है कि है। सो लेट्स चेक। सो ब्रह्मप्पा इज सेइंग, लेट्स से denominator cos of x plus sin of x equal to t. Okay, differentiate both side. Cos x का क्या होता है, माइनस sin x।
सर
sin yes, one second.
अगर cos x और sin x के साथ cos x के साथ cos pi by 4 और sin x के साथ sin pi by 4 से कर दे तो cot का सूत्र आ जाएगा ना, cot का डायरेक्ट cot into x plus pi by 4, तो then cos pi by 4 हो जाएगा।
हाँ, if you convert cos into sin, sin into cos, जब हम लोग pi by 4 हम लोग क्यों लगा रहे हैं, pi by 4 कब आता है? pi by 4 is what, 45 degree, correct?
Yes sir.
हाँ, so why we are moving, so we can cos pi by 4, sin by 4, cos pi by 2, sin by, we can apply all those, but यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे तो तुम्हें दिख रहा है कि डायरेक्टली cos और माइनस, देखो यहाँ पे your numerator is a derivative differential of the denominator or not, डायरेक्ट दिख रहा है ना, देखो your numerator is डायरेक्ट डेरिवेटिव डिनोमिनेटर है कि नहीं यहाँ पे, तो डायरेक्ट ही हो रहा है, तो you don't need all this। cos x plus sin x को t देख के देखो, डिफरेंशिएट करो, माइनस sin x plus cos x आ रहा है, माइनस sin x plus cos x तो न्यूमरेटर है हमारा, राइट? सो हमारा क्वेश्चन बन गया इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos x माइनस sin x, तो हमने ये है तो dt, यू आर राइट जयसूर्या, और cos x plus sin x t है, तो ये ज्यादा इजी है कि नहीं, डायरेक्ट सिंपल है, तो सो 1 by t dt, log of t और log of cos x plus sin x। ठीक है, कोई डाउट है किसी को? see, because we always have to see whether denominator and numerator related with derivative or not। कोई क्वेश्चन किसी को, anybody any question? That's it। Let's solve one question of exponent, let's see can you do it। Let's solve one question of exponent, it works or not, let's see। Okay, all good everyone here? Integrate e to the power x, e to the power x minus e to the power minus x, ऑब्वियसली बाहर dx हो गया होगा, बाय e to the power x। टेल मी, उषा कैसे करेंगे इसको?
Yes, sir. Sir,
You have to check
then
is numerator the derivative of denominator or not। तो सोचो, तेरा डिनोमिनेटर, तुम्हारा डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, ये है,
x plus e raised to minus x।
इसको t मान लो।
Yes, sir, इसको t
डिफरेंशिएट करो दोनों तरफ, तो ex का तो ex ही रहेगा,
ex है,
इसका क्या हो जाएगा, e to power minus x का
minus e raised to minus x। हाँ, yes है,
तो इसका मतलब कि योर न्यूमरेटर इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर डेरिवेटिव,
डिनोमिनेटर डेरिवेटिव।
तो ये पूरा का पूरा सब्स्टिट्यूट हो जाएगा न्यूमरेटर में। तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन क्या बन जाएगा उषा?
dt by t।
एकदम वो तो एकदम इजी है।
यस सर,
तो आंसर आ गया log ऑफ t, या log ऑफ ये पूरा प्लस, ठीक है ना?
यस सर।
टू इजी एवरीवन। Thank you. But if I give a question, okay, this is already clear, right, everybody? If I give a question like this, then what are you going to do? Integration of 1 over 1 plus e to the power minus x. अच्छा मुझे एक लाइन लगा दूं एक्स्ट्रा dx. Tell me everybody how you'll solve it and what's the answer. Tell me the ideas. Integration of 1 over 1 plus e to the power minus x.
Sir,
1 plus e
numerator
raised to
में
minus x को t और
Okay.
ex.
Okay. Usha, what are you saying?
minus
सर
6
न्यूमरेटर में हम लोग
1
सेम लाने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं कल वाले मेथड की तरह लाइक प्लस
कर
e raised to
सकते हैं।
minus x minus.
Okay. Nishta, any idea?
Thinking something.
Sir, e power minus x 1 by e power x.
If you multiply this quotient with e to power x here and also e to power x here, क्या होएगा? Think guys. Yes, Brahmappa. Both sides multiply with, yes, you and me have told it at the exactly same time, Brahmappa. So, when you multiply with this, क्या हो जाएगा question? Numerator will be e to power x, guys. Numerator e to power x into 1 e to power x plus e to power x into power x e to power 0 so 1. कुछ फर्क? What is the why we done this now? अभी कुछ फायदा हुआ है? Nishta? Nishta, tell me, is numerator the derivative of denominator or not?
So
Is numerator derivative of denominator? अगर ये ex plus 1 का तुम differentiate निकालोगे तो क्या आएगा?
differentiation, sir, e to power.
X ही आएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
मतलब कि
1
numerator is
0.
the, it means numerator is the derivative of the, हम लोग आज वही कर रहे हैं पूरा. Numerator is the derivative of denominator. तो मैंने assume कर लिया, let's say e to the power x. You have to always assume the full denominator as t, guys. नहीं तो बहुत गड़बड़ है. तो differentiate किया both side. तो e to the power x का तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, वो same रहा. 1 का 0 होगा तो ex dx equal to dt. तो क्वेश्चन क्या बन गया निष्ठा? हमारा क्वेश्चन बन गया ये ex dx equal to dt है, तो इस पूरे को तो हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं फिर से, तो dt आ गया ये बाय ex plus 1 को हमने t लिया था, फिर से ये हो गया. तो शाम यू आर राइट, ex to power e to power x plus 1 is t. इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो निष्ठा log t आ जाएगा और log t का होता है t मतलब e to power x plus 1. हो गया एकदम इजी. Now tell me anybody any confusion? See, what we are focusing is you to always check the moment you find your numerator is in the form of differentiation of denominator. Do not worry about anything else. Just go for it. Okay? Tell me anybody, any confusion, any question, anything. Okay, let's do one easy question before I move on to very, very interesting question. Okay, all good here, everybody till now? Okay. So what I want you to give now is how will you solve this question, guys? This you would be knowing it now, but just for a practice. Integration of 1 minus cot x कहाँ है क्वेश्चन, कहाँ से? Also, where is this? I was no. अच्छा, let's do different one. Suppose say cot of x by log of sin x. ये तो easy एकदम dx. How will you do it? It is easy, right, guys? Oral you can do it. Tell me, Maharshi, how shall you do it?
log of sin x is equal to t,
Log of sin x equal to t. बस फिर तो एकदम
and
easy है.
cot x की जगह t.
Log of sin x equal to t. Differentiate both sides. Differentiate of log sin x होता है 1 by sin x into numerator में sin x का cos x, right? dx
Yes,
equal to
sir.
dt. तो if you see really 1 by sin x into cos x by sin, तो ये cot x हो गया. So cot x dx equal to dt आ रहा है. फिर से we are good. So हमारा question becomes again integration of dt by log of sin x मतलब t. 1 by t का होता है log of
t plus c.
log of t plus c. t मतलब log of sin x है, तो log of sin x. That's fine. Doesn't matter. That's it. Anybody any confusion on this? एकदम easy है. All good. Let's do one more problem. This time you have to write the answer in the chat. Integration of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x whole by say 6 of cos x plus 4 of sin x dx. Everybody solve it and tell me the answer in the chat. And then I am going to do one of the classic question. Obviously it's integration. I didn't put the sign, but let integration. I am not very good in drawing. Okay. Integration of this. Tell me everyone, how will you do it? Put denominator equal to t. Okay. Solve it, Brahma. And tell everybody, tell the answer on chat. See where it works or not. Does it work? जय सूर्या, क्या करने वाले हैं? Let's say 6 of cos x plus 4 of sin x equal to t. जय सूर्या, it's very easy. Try करो. First try कि whether denominator को differentiate करते तो numerator आता है कि नहीं. Let's try. 6 cos x का what is integral? What is differential of 6 cos x, जय सूर्या? Is it right or not? You don't need to divide because it will become 10, more difficult. See, in integration, sin and cos are more easy than 10. So, ये हो गया. So it become minus 6 sin x plus 4 cos x dx equal to dt. If we arrange, if we write plus cos 4x, इसको स्टार्टिंग में लिख सकते हैं. So we can write like this also. Can we take 2 common from here? So if we take 2 common, it become 2 of cos x minus 3 of sin x dx dt, right? और 2 को इधर ले आता हूं, dt by 2, ये 2 भी चला गया. So what it means, this is my numerator, right? अब तो एकदम easy है. So जयसूर्या, my question becomes, ये तो dx, ये हो गया dt by 2 और 6 cos plus 4x तो मेरा t था, तो dt by 2t. That is my question, right? So now dt by 2t, तो half तो बाहर आ गया. Integration of 1 by t is log t again. So log of t, मतलब ये पूरा लिख लो ऐसा कैसे, plus t. Cool, everyone good? Now are you ready for the challenge now? Real challenge. Real classic question of integration. Ready everyone? Shall we do that? At least one more question, challenging question, very interesting question. Integrate 10x, tan 2x, tan of 3x dx. Integration of 10x, tan 2x, tan 3x dx. The problem here is there are 3 functions in multiplication, guys. That's why it becomes so difficult. But there is something in trigonometry which may help.
अगर tan 3x को tan x plus 2x कर दे और tan का जो होता है वो
What is the you are right. What is the formula of, guys, tan of a plus b?
tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b.
That is a very good utility here, tan a. See, the point is, if the function in multiplication we can split. So tan a plus tan b by what you said? 1 minus tan a tan b, right?
Yes.
Why we are doing this, you will know in a moment. Because it will help to split this tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x into different type of function. Let's see. So what we'll do is tan of 3x. 3x को I can write as 2x plus x, guys. So बताओ, tan of 3x will become what?
Tan x plus tan 2x into 1 minus tan x into tan 2x.
Plus tan of x. And guys, this will, let's see how it helps. So tan a is tan 2x, tan b is tan x by 1 minus tan 2x. यहाँ तक everybody is okay? So what we are doing is, why we are doing this? If we take this on the numerator in the left side, if we take this in the numerator in the left side, इसको वापस से मैं अब 2x plus 3x को मैं tan 3x लिख देता हूँ. वही पॉइंट है, मैं उसको वापस से अपने हिसाब से I can still write. So tan 3x. No, this into this. तो ये हो गया tan of 3x into 1 minus tan of 2x, tan of x equal to, let me put more space here. Tan of 2x plus tan of x. Let me make it Okay, guys. I just cross multiplied. Now what happens? Now I open the bracket. This bracket. So become tan of 3x minus tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x equal to tan 2x plus tan of x. Jagah, I'm always feeling becoming less and less. Okay. So why I'm doing this? Because now what I'll do is I'll take this tan x to the right side. I'll take this tan x to the right side. क्या रह गया? Minus of tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x equal to tan of 2x plus tan of x minus tan of 3x. And guys, you will be very happy to see. देखो न्यूमरेटर में क्या था हुआ? tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x. ये देखो, चलो ये माइनस भी हटा देते हैं. So we put minus here. ये हो गया माइनस, ये हो गया माइनस. Reverse the sign everywhere. ये हो गया प्लस. So it means you splitted the function in multiplication tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x as minus tan 2x minus tan x plus. तीन different function बन गए. Now it becomes so easy, right? Because you know how to integrate tan x. So
It's log of sec x.
correct. So now my integration becomes, I'll arrange it in proper forms. It becomes tan of 3x minus tan of 2x minus tan of x और पूरा dx. It becomes so easy. And tan of x का हम लोगों ने already शुरू में prove किया है. The integration of tan of x. So now everybody knows what is integration of tan x, correct?
Yes, sir. Log of 3.
So if you know integral of tan x, we can also know integral of tan 2x and tan 3x. X के बदले 2x.
Tan 3x का integration 1/3 log of sec 3x.
Yes. Easy. So what was the master stroke? Point is we use trigonometry. देखो तीन function multiply is very difficult. So we use the trigonometry utility to make it separate. Sometimes it's not possible, sometimes possible. That's why integration becomes a little more challenging. You have to think because we have done a lot of forms. Again, we have not reached the half still. We have not reached the half point of integration still. We are still level 4, level 5. We'll go up to level 8 or 9 or 10. Partial fractions. Partial fraction is ultimate. Okay? And even like elate and even this integration by parts. There's a lot of things. But we are building slowly all this concept. Please ask me any confusion, any question, because that's it for today of f dash x by fx. समझ में आया है सबको? How to approach? So don't hesitate whenever you have to always see. जैसे आपने कल पढ़ा था कि ax plus b into root of cx plus d या divide by root of cx plus d. Another form is denominator का differentiate करो तो numerator मिल जाता है. तो become easy. So f dash x by fx form को हमको लेके आना है. That's it. Anyone, any question? Do some practice. Videos are getting uploaded slowly. You have a lot of videos, all of this. I'll start uploading calculation also. So keep practicing. You can refer this and then we can next week we'll go more deep. Okay. Maharshi, there are so many integrated questions. Whatever form we have done, you can apply those. So instead of giving homework, it will take a lot of time to put homework here and there, right? And then discuss. So better is solve the problems based on whatever concept we learned now. Anybody, any question? That's it for today. See you next week. Enjoy and keep practicing, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.